Day 19. Rolling with the punches. Hi, and welcome back to Day 19 of How to Meditate. As always, it's your friendly neighborhood therapist, John here, and in today's session, we step outside your comfort zone. So, maybe you've noticed that some days meditation is easy, and other days it might be a little harder. The thing to realize is that this is all completely normal. Meditation is hard. It's kind of like going to the gym. Some days when I hit the weights, mainly on chest day, I'm invigorated. I feel strong, and overall, I enjoy working out. Then there's other days. I'm looking at you leg day, where I feel sore, I'm tired, and I just want to quit in the middle of the workout. While my experience of working out can vary, the outcome is always the same: better physical health. Meditation is exactly the same. One day we will feel peaceful and open and clear, and we think, wow, I've got this meditation thing in the bag. Except then, the next day happens, and we feel distracted and confused and agitated. And then we may think that we're losing it. Every meditation is progress, because in every meditation, we're building up our core muscles of concentration, clarity, equanimity, and self-compassion. Our experience with meditation will vary from session to session, but the general outcome is always the same: better emotional and mental health. And this is super important to understand, because otherwise, the moment meditation gets hard, we decide it's not working and we bail. Please try not to do this. Learning how to tolerate things being hard and uncomfortable is one of the core trainings of meditation and one of the necessary skills to living a fulfilling life. Author Neil Donald Walsh put it perfectly when he said, "Life begins at the end of your comfort zone." So in today's meditation, we'll set you up to exceed outside your comfort zone. Let's meditate. Okay, so you can start by closing your eyes. Get comfortable and just take a few deep breaths in. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you breathe in, it's like you're stretching up your spine. And then as you breathe out, it's like you're breathing out any tension within the body. As you continue to breathe, do a body scan and notice if there's any tension within your body. Softening the cheeks, easing the worry lines in the forehead, relaxing both sets of cheeks. Soften the belly. Also, don't forget to relax the shoulders. You're really allowing yourself to sink into the body and relax. See if you can let go of any tightness about this meditation, any judgments you might have. Self-compassion starts with acceptance. So we're going to start this meditation by accepting whatever's going on with us in this moment. We're accepting all the imperfections of our situation, the sounds, the distractions, any annoyances. All of it is allowed to be here. Okay, so find your home base. You can stick with your breath or you can work with sound or sensations. As we begin this meditation, try to appreciate the absolute simplicity of this activity, this opportunity to really take a break and to be with ourselves and rest for a bit. Good. So stay with your home base here and see how into it you can get. The stiller you get, the easier it is to notice new subtleties and new depths. With every exhale, it's like we get a little more settled. And as we do this, we're patient. We're not in any rush. Keep going. If your mind wanders, you bring it back. If you feel agitated, if you have a lot of thoughts and feelings going on today, that's okay. Can you accept this and keep going anyway? Acceptance is a kind of self-compassion. It's saying each moment has its ups and downs. So I'm going to be there for myself regardless. A part of self-compassion is your ability to hold it down for yourself, exactly like you would hold it down for someone you love. Keep meditating. Beautiful. So I want to check in with those whose attention might be all over the place, who might be judging their performance in this meditation so far. If you haven't been able to focus, if you've been dissociating up until this point, and you're about to chalk this session up as a waste of time and end it prematurely, you're good. Take a deep breath in, get centered, and lock back into your home base. Let go of any doubts or judgments, and let's settle in and persevere through the rest of this meditation together. Struggles and all. Keep going. Almost done. Relax into whatever's happening. And now, do absolutely nothing. Stop formally meditating and just relax. This is a slow process, but a deep one. How do we know if meditation is working? It won't come from any experience that happens when we meditate. Instead, the fruits of our labor will show up in our life outside of meditation. Are you more relaxed, more present, more patient with yourself and those around you? This is the harvest you should be looking for. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Tomorrow, we learn how to stop anxiety dead in its tracks. Thank you for your practice, and God bless.